Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. But since you're here, you can see how I turned this container and this wood block into a beautiful vase. It's all right, stay a while. This is a Trash to Treasure DIY. I had a container similar to this one lying around, and instead of throwing it away, I used this black paint and I painted it several coats of black. You can use a heating gun or a blow dryer like like to use in between coats. And this is the wood block that I got from Home Depot. The container bottom fit snugly inside of the groove of the block, and I just super glued it and used hot glue. This is the top to the container. I wanted to use it, so I cut out the center with scissors. It was very simple. I hot glued the top to the container and then I painted it, but I think in hindsight it would have been more wiser to paint the top first and then hot glue it so that I wouldn't transfer paint onto the container. These are the beads that I used. I ordered from Amazon and I glued one row at a time. Whenever I did the next row, I made sure I put the beads in between the beads of the previous row. I finished my project off with this clear top coat. And this is how my project turned out. I hope you receive some inspiration to turn some trash into treasure. And as always, I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.